Hello everyone and welcome to the Lux Fiat channel. Billy here. It's currently 7 in the morning and I'm going to show you how to buy a Desean Jackson NFT and add funds via Visa card. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to RARIBLE.com. And once you get there, you're going to see this home screen. And once you get to this home screen, you're going to want to go up to sign in with Metamask. And if you don't have a Metamask, there'll be a video down below going over how you can set one up on mobile and or PC, whichever you want to be on. Go ahead and sign in. It might bring up some stuff within your MetaMask browser or your app. Go ahead and just sign all that and make sure it's all good. Once you get to this screen, you want to click your icon. And it's going to have your name and your balances. What you're going to want to do from here is go to add funds with Visa. So if you're trying to buy the Desean Jackson gold NFT that's priced at $2,000, you're not going to be able to do it with just a base RARIBLE account. You're going to have to do the KYC. And what the KYC is if you want to click up here, all it is you're uploading a picture of your ID and a selfie, just so they can identify who you are and you can add more money to your RARIBLE account. So go ahead and begin verification. It's going to bring up some screens. Click I agree. I'm going to do a driver's license. Obviously, this is going to be cut out. Okay, and once you uploaded your ID, go ahead and hit next and you're going to get this screen. Go ahead and fill out all the information on this screen and we'll get back. Okay, so once you follow all the steps, I had to cut out the last part because my camera wasn't interacting with the website while I was recording, so I'm sorry about that. But essentially, after you upload your address, it asks for a selfie. You upload that, you move your head a bit, and then it brings you to this screen. Says it'll take about 3 to 4 minutes, and then after that we'll get on to buying the actual Desean Jackson NFT. We've now been verified. It took me about less than a minute, honestly, maybe a minute and a half if we're being generous, but in all it didn't take very long. So go ahead and hit done. Now we're approved for $25K a week. Obviously, I mean, if you guys are gonna spend that much, go ahead. I'm not. Once you do that, then you could, let's say you're buying a gold NFT, you can add 2K just from here to Ethereum, which is what the NFT is based off of. Select your payment method. You can do credit or debit with a 3% fee, or you can do Apple Pay. Each of them has a fee. Okay, so once you choose your payment method, we're going to go ahead and do that. You're going to hit I authorize and go to next. You're going to put in your information and just follow from there. From this point forward, it's just like buying any other thing online, such as Amazon, or adding your card to a website such as Amazon, and it's as simple as that. Once you do that, you can then go back. If you need time, go ahead and pause the video here, but we're going to get into buying the actual Desean Jackson NFT. So to do that, let's go ahead and go up to the search bar. And what you're going to want to do is type in the greatest one. Enter. Go to users, Desean Jackson. And from here, you can buy any of the NFTs you want. Each of them are 5K minted. Bronze goes for about 500. Silver goes for about 1,000. And gold goes for about 2,000. So once you choose which one you want to get, you would click on it, buy for 0.12 ETH. It'll load up your Metamask, I think. Let's see. So it'll load up this page. You can either pay with crypto, being the like transferring from wallets such as like crypto.com, Coinbase, any of those in exchange, or you could pay straight from here with your Visa. I recommend just transferring the funds personally, just because it's easier for me. It might be different for you, but me personally, I think it's easier. So from here, you would hit add funds or pay, and it would bring you to the same page, and you would pay through this way. All right, everyone, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video was informative and helpful, and if it was, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe down below, as well as follow all the socials in the description. Remember, none of this information in the video is financial advice and should not be taken as such. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.